Alrighty, going live. What's up, guys? AK with you today. Took me a while to came back to live streams. YouTube was with the huge problems and software issues. Something always going on. So, but we're back on track. And first of all, welcome to everybody to my it's older channel. It's DCC Trained USA right now. It's in um, that line for comments, live comments. It's older channel, so I just remodel it, delete all videos. So that channel will be for answering your questions, because I'm getting. I think it's the issue is maybe language barrier, because yeah, my English is okay, and maybe in both languages areas, because I have guys models from anywhere, in the world. Also, my knowledge may be barrier with the knowledge, and I'm talking about, and you overwhelmed. I'm trying to answer questions in your comments. All right. So check the screen right now. I have like big green arrow pointing to the pop-up menu, and that channel also link will be in that information whatever thing coming out on the right corner, top right corner. All right, I'll put in the description as well. So it's brand new channel, and I will personally answer you all your questions, because again, it's just a little bit complicated to type, and it's still misunderstanding today. Also, I will do like long broadcasts there, like opening items, opening trains, digital systems, playing with them, stuff like this, working on layout, like for a couple of hours broadcast, stuff like this. All right, selling also review items over there for sale. So because this channel, that DCC Train main channel, it's I want to specialize on different areas. This is just basic stuff, but beginners, it's mostly for beginners. Advanced, yeah, it's hard to tell, anyway. So today I have a question, and I'm answering here. It will be at the end of the video. We'll just go overview some basic stuff. So the question is, that's about like terminology again, like did or DCC, any DCC system, we'll talk like Digitrack, specifically the new DCS52, control analog Bachmann switches. And that's the beginning misunderstanding right now. So we'll just go over switches and accessory decoders. All right, so I have a system here. I have DS64 accessory decoder. You can use different manufacturers also, but we just stick with Digitracks. And again, you can ask me questions about different stuff, guys. I'll try to answer. So I have connected it here already to the track. All right, let's move our nice cursor here. All right, Digitracks, and I strongly recommend to use. Oh, we in the wrong color, in the wrong thickness. There you go. Digitracks, and I strongly recommend to use additional power supply. So that's going to the wall, right, to outlet. Power supply for DS64. Also, I can power it from the track. And I think I'm deciding in the colors, my choice, guys, brown. Let's do light brown. That will be our Loconet. Correct me if I'm wrong if you want to use different color, but that's my choice of the Loconet. Here we go. maybe power supply don't pay attention on maybe just different ports, Digitrax. I try to remember it. That's okay. It's not big deal. So one of the Loconet. So it's Loconet. I like the color very much. So that's your Loconet for signal not coming just in parallel, I should say. It's not gonna hurt. Or you can use second output of the input output just to connect different devices. Okay, that's it for not making anything complicated. So we're good to go. Now we have a switch here. My understanding, Bachmann has two versions of the switches. DCC already, the motor, we'll call it the device who is moving the switch by itself inside the motor. I'm just calling them motor. It can be motor, actual real motor, like what's in tortoise, right? Second, it can be servo. Okay, that's new technology. And the third, most popular still, solenoid. Solenoid. Okay, so with this arm can be moved with the motor, servo, or solenoid. Okay, so Bachmann has and Kato mostly built-in Rocco. I'm calling them motors, but they are solenoid. So solenoid like this. We'll do. Oh, sorry. Okay. Some of them changing polarity. I'm missing one. Sorry again. 4, 5, 6. I think we're good now. So is that anchor, I believe? The power usually AC applying, not usually AC in this combination, applying here or here, and that thing moves. That's the solenoid. Okay, we're talking about servo and motors some other time. And that switch has that built in already. I'm talking about Bachmann, and I'm pretty much answering the question. The question was like if it's can the digital system operates analog, and that's my understanding. Person calling analog motor solenoid operated switch, but you need to control it, right, with the accessory decoders here, any accessory decoders. That's it. But the Bachmann has another version, so I put that switch here. It has DCC slash motor, which is solenoid, or just motor in a different price range. So if you're using this version, you don't need accessory decoder, DS64 or other manufacturers, right? If you're using this version, you need accessory decoder here, right? So you're connecting your, I'm not gonna put I'll make it like this. We'll do orange. Let's say this is our motor device, and you're connecting it with 3 wires, right? With 3 wires, but we'll make only 1, but it's 3 here, to output of DS64. Then you're selecting, let's use the mouse, you're selecting accessory decoder control, selecting your switch number because it has 4 outputs. go green. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4. In that decoder outputs like right here. They're all here. Okay, you're selecting 1, 2, 3, and 4 and switching your turnout, switching that motor, solenoid motor. Okay, I tried to be clear, guys. I'm taking a lot of time just to explain. If you're not using that combination, okay, so you're not using accessory decoder, you connecting your let's finish our diagram actually. So we need to put some, oh, very a little bit thicker. There we go. So we are putting our output. I did a pre not good. Set up the diagram before, but it's just not good work. Well, talking points. So in black here and red here. It's not red, my goodness. It's orange. Sorry about that. Yeah, I don't like it. Let's go this way. So black. Usually outside. My black is usually outside. And red color will go right here. Inside. Okay? Then you connecting your output of the switch, if it's DCC, okay? If it's DCC, you're just connecting that switch straight. There's like, it's, I think, 2 different wires, but just make one. Oh, play with this a lot. All right, again, taking green, output directly, it's splitting in 2 to the track or to the bus. This is the story for another day. Okay, that's the simplest diagram, guys, and that's the answer to the question. I have a video about bus for the track, couple of them. So, and check that information, I think, in the information card, that button, because I'm usually putting right top corner all related videos or playlist will be available for you. All right, Carlos Vargas, hello. If it's maybe too complicated, guys, still, this is like really basic. Leave a comment what you think, and welcome to the other channel. We'll go really deep, easy way, easy, only easy. All right. Thanks for coming, supporting channel. This is my Patreon page for the channel. Thank you for supporting business. Have a good one. Bye bye.